Hi guys, in this video, I will show Sprunki Phase 6 stolen sounds I knew from the Tube Gaming, so let's start the video.
Or in Phase 6. Memobox ablaze. Ready Phase 6. Craig Sader Ubin Niku. Clucker Phase 6. Statue or an IO. Funbot Phase 6 used alarm sound and glass.break sound effect as in the Tube Gaming's video, and also has EX9 Melophobia's face. Vineria Phase 6 has stole Alex Ubin Niiku's sound. It's the Alex from Ubin Niiku. Grey Phase 6 has Russell Fortea from Ubin.Niiku sound. It's Russell Fortea.